Okay, girls section, lane number 1, PV Sindhu team, Shafira. Lane number 2, Jagajendra team, Chemistry. Lane number 3, Sachin team, Jahnavi. Lane number 4, PV Sindhu team, Chemistry. Lane number 5, Jagajendra team, Harshita. Lane number 6, Srija, Sachin team, Srija. Lane number 7, PV Sindhu team, Swati. Lane number 8, Jagajendra